Have you ever wondered what really holds up the theory of evolution? Not the evidence, not the fossils, not even the famous finches. I'm talking about the actual foundation, the root, the very idea that everything else is built on. Here's a twist. Most textbooks and documentaries barely mention it. Now, if you wanted to challenge evolution, really shake the tree, so to speak, you'd have to start by asking, what is the root of the theory? It's kind of wild, but even many scientists and supporters of evolution haven't spent much time digging into this question. They're working on the branches adaptation, natural selection, genetic drift. But what about the soil these branches grow from? So let's get to the point. The root of evolution theory is actually a set of assumptions, ideas that we accept as starting points before we even talk about fossils or DNA. The first is that life changes over time, gradually, as small differences build up. The second is that these changes are mostly the result of random mutations and natural selection, basically, the environment deciding which traits survive. But here's the kicker. These are not direct observations. They're inferences, conclusions made by connecting dots between what we see now and what we think happened in the past. This means to replace evolution, or to seriously challenge it, a new theory would have to offer a better explanation for how life changes and also address these foundational assumptions. So why doesn't anyone talk about this root? Maybe because once you start questioning the basics, the whole conversation changes. It's not just about fossils or genetics anymore, it's about whether the very way we think about change in biology actually matches what happens in the real world. If I truly want to falsify evolution, I need to dig up this root and lay it out for everyone to see. Only then can I compare it to reality. Does life really change gradually? Are random mutations and natural selection enough to explain everything we see? So next time you hear about evolution, remember the real debate isn't just about what's on the branches. It's about the root, deep below the surface. If you want to challenge a tree, you have to start at the root. Thanks for watching, and stay curious. Have you ever wondered what really holds up the theory of evolution?